Right, well it's September the 21st, I think, and I have started the process of making my dark fruit scrumpy. I picked a load of apples. I cut them into manageable sized pieces, and then I use my Progress juice extractor to extract the juice. I switch it on there, put the pieces of apple in there, the juice comes out here and the pulp goes in there, and I put the pulp in that bucket there and put it on the compost heap. So I'll just show you how it all works. It's quite difficult to do it one-handed because when you put the apple in there it has a tendency to leap out. It does not want to be crushed.